Hi, I'm Amy Barrett-Daffin, and I'm here today to do a quick little demo about origami. We have this awesome book coming out called 333 Origami, and this one is focusing on mandalas. What I really want you to see are these beautiful papers. And when you look inside, the mandalas here, and they're in order by rainbow color, are just gorgeous. I mean, just sitting and looking at this book calms you down. Today, what I'm going to show you is how to make a windmill. And so it's pretty easy. You want to line up your edges, and then you just fold. And the cool thing about origami is it's really a meditative process. And I've made a couple of these now, so I'm going to quickly refer to my instructions for my next step. I'm going to fold it in half like that. And like I said, there are 12 instructions in the book, and then you fold it in half again like that. And the nice thing is this is great for anyone of any age. So you can do these, and kids can do them, seniors can do them, people of any ages. It's a wonderful thing to do with a group if you want to do a little event. So then you're just folding it over again. That little piece is sticking out. Okay. And then once we're here, we fold these down and we open it up, and it makes like this cute little sailboat. Then you turn it over and you do it again like that. I didn't fold this one as well as I folded the others, but that's okay because I'm going to flip it over. And then what you do is you set up your pinwheels. And there you go. So it's just that easy. And the nice thing about these mandalas is they just look beautiful. And so once again, 333 origami pages, and this is our mandala collection. We also have one that is alcohol inks, and I'll show you that next. Here are some of my practice hearts, and I've been having a really fun time making these. I made some with my husband, which was fun to do. So here are all of our little hearts, and then here are some of the different beautiful alcohol ink designs, and they're just luscious. So a little bit of a pro tip here: when you go to take the paper out, you can see this edge is a little jagged, and what I realized is if you pop it like that, when you go to take out your sheet, it pulls out much cleaner. So you get a much easier tear when you do that. So that's just a little pro tip. So we're going to go to our little heart pattern. I think it's the first one in the, there we go. It's the third one in the book. So then for the heart, what you're going to do is you're going to take your paper, you're going to fold it in half on the diagonal. You're going to fold it in half again on the diagonal. You're going to take this little piece and come smack dab in the middle. And then you're going to take this little piece and come up to the top. And you end up with a shape sort of similar to the shape we had last time, but it's definitely going to turn out different. And then next, what you're going to do is you've got your little center here, and you're going to pull it up like that. And then right like that. And it's just sort of amazing how quick it comes together, because at first you're looking at that and you're like, this doesn't look like anything, except for I'm not getting my line as tight as I'd like. And then you flip it over and you fold down the two little points at the top, just down to right there. Whoops. And down to right here. And that one's a little crooked, so we'll straighten that out. There we go. And then you fold these little pieces in right here. And I'm going to amaze you when I flip it over. I know I am. And look, I have another heart in my heart collection. So there you go. So this one is 333 papers. And these alcohol inks, like I said, if you're having a bad day and you want to de-stress, just looking at the pages in this book are going to do the trick for you. But then I really would encourage you to tear a sheet out and follow the instructions to make one of the 12 patterns in this book. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our C&T Publishing YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.